Baby birds, often called nestlings or chicks, represent a fragile and captivating stage in the avian life cycle. Symbol of nature's intricate cycle. Their skin is translucent, revealing a network of tiny veins, and their eyes remain sealed. Chirps and cheeps a desperate plea for food from their diligent parents. Parent birds during this period tirelessly forage for food, often making hundreds of trips in a day to satisfy their brood. Their eyes open, revealing a world that was once dark. Metabolic rates are incredibly high, fueling the astonishing pace of their growth. Young bird flapping wings, nervous but determined. Ready to take on the skies. Journey of rapid growth and development.
The journey of a baby bird is a powerful of nature's intricate cycles and the resilience of life. From a helpless hatchling to a fledgling ready to take on the skies.